So if you've been trading Forex for a while and losing money to that demon called greed, then this video is for you. In today's video, we want to learn how to move stop loss to break even and lock partial profit such that we don't lose too much money to greed. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Joel Sam. Over here, I post regular videos on how to become financially free, how to find online opportunities for making money so as to break out of the poverty barrier and meet all your goals, targets, and aspirations in life. If you're new here, I please urge you to subscribe to this channel, leave this video a like so that the algorithm will put it before more and more people who need information such as this. So without speaking much, let's jump right into the topic for today. We all know that sometimes in the market we are moved by greed, okay? All human beings have a greed factor in them. It is this insatiable desire for more and more than is necessary, and it affects us even in the forex market. Let me give you a scenario. Sometimes you've placed a trade and the trade is going on so well, okay? The market has given you 60%, 70%, 80% profit on your capital. Instead of locking your profit, you are expecting the market to keep going in more profit, and so you leave the trade running only to come back an hour later and find out that the market has reversed on you and you have lost not only your profit but your account as well. It is an experience that so many of us can relate with. Personally, it has happened to me countless number of occasions. I've actually lost count, and I guess it's happened to a lot of you. So we want to learn how to mitigate that so that we stop losing money in the market and we are actually building our accounts, we're actually growing our accounts. Now, the concept of locking partial profit and moving stop loss to break even is not a new concept at all. In fact, if you are a member of groups such as Kojo Forex VIP or Kojo Forex Community, if you are a member of the Serendipity Trading Academy, you are in any of the groups, or you are a member of the free community, you would realize that the administrators of these groups and channels keep emphasizing that members should lock partial profit and move stop loss to break even. Unfortunately, a lot of people are not aware of what this concept is, and so they are, in the dark, and even though the warning has been issued, they still end up losing money and they don't understand. They go attacking the administrators of those channels when indeed they should be doing their own research. So in order to help people out there like that, I was once in your shoes, let me explain what exactly it means to move stop loss to break even and to lock partial profits. So let's assume you have a trade that is running in profit. Usually I advise that when your trade has moved into 20-30 profit, that is an ideal time to move stop loss to break even. Now, what is the meaning of moving stop loss to break even? If you are a good trader, anytime you take a trade, you set your stop loss and then your take profit using a 1:3 risk to reward ratio or a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Now, moving stop loss to break even means that anytime your trade has moved 20 or 30 pips in profit, you move the stop loss price you entered, okay? You edit that price, you edit the trade, and you move the stop loss price to the entry price of the trade. That is the price at which you entered the market. I'll try to give examples on the screen so that you understand exactly what I'm talking about, but this is a very easy concept. Assuming you bought gold at $1,800, that is $1,800, and your stop loss was at $1,700, and then your take profit was at $2,000. What I am saying is that once your trade has moved 20 pips into profit, you move the stop loss from $1,700 to $1,800, which is the price you entered the market. You do this so that if the market reverses on you and takes you out of the trade, you don't lose out, okay? Your capital is still intact, and the only thing you may have lost is your profit. And here is where the concept of locking partial profit comes in. Locking partial profit is also important because anytime you have moved your stop loss to break even, once you've locked partial profit, if the market reverses on you, you don't lose out totally. At least you have half of the profits you made in the first place. You understand? Let me give an example using the same gold trade. Assuming we entered this trade at $1,800, okay, that is $1,800, and we used 0.02 for the lot size. Locking partial profit will mean that once the trade has moved 20 pips in profit, 30 pips in profit, 40 pips in profit, you are going to take only part of the profit before you move your stop loss to break even, or after you move your stop loss to break even. I'll leave a demonstration on the screen so that you understand exactly what I'm talking about. But it's very simple, it's straightforward. You close the trade and then you reduce the lot size before you press the final close, so that the market gives you just half of the profits you have attained, and then you leave the rest of the trade running. If indeed it reaches your final take profits level, you've made more money. Okay, if it reverses on you, you don't lose out to the market and you still made some money. It's a very easy concept that is going to save you a lot of money if you are religious with it. Always lock partial profit. Always move stop loss to break even once you are 20, 30, 40 pips in profit on any trade you have taken. How do we lock partial profit? Step 1. Wait for your trade to move 20 or 30 pips in profit. Step 2. Move the stop loss price to break even or entry price. This protects you from a sudden reversal of the market, such that your capital is protected and you don't lose any money should the trade go bad. Step 3. Close the trade but reduce the lot size before you close the trade. This will give you only partial profit of what your total profit is, so that you are not completely out of the market, but you are still able to capitalize on some profit that the market has given you. Thank you so much for watching. I urge you to subscribe, share this video to those who might need it, because it is a very important resource. When I discovered the knowledge of moving stop loss to break even and then locking partial profit, it completely changed my trading and made me become more profitable than I was in the past. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you again in the next video. Peace out.